basic transformation, transition, rotation, and scaling. Basic transformation in computer graphics include translation, rotation, and scaling. Translation moves an object from one place to another. Rotation changes its orientation, and scaling adjusts its size. These transformations are fundamental for manipulating objects in virtual space, whether in 2D or 3D graphics. Transformation for a complex movement. For a complex movement in computer graphics, you typically combine multiple basic transformations like transition, rotation, and scaling. You can also incorporate more advanced techniques like shearing, reflection, and perspective transformation to achieve a wide range of effects. Additionally, transformation are applied relative to a parent coordinate system can be used for more intricate movements such as animating characters or objects with articulate parts. Advanced transformation. Perspective transformation is an advanced technique used to create the illusion to depth and distance in computer graphics. It involves transforming 3D coordinates into 2D coordinates, taking into account the effect of distance on the perceived size of objects.